Hi, Crab Cakes. I'm Emil Hinault. This is Little Buddy, and this is the Big Crab Cake channel. We've got a box to open today, so let's get to it. You can tell by the shape of this box that there's a locomotive inside, and I know that this is one we've been waiting for quite a while. I'm excited to get to this one. Can't wait to see what we got. Inside, an MTH train box. What we have inside now is a custom designed engine. The engine was built from a stock design by the MTH Electric Trains Company. They've done the ES44AC in all kinds of liveries. And so we had them do one for our forum, which is the ogaugeforum.com. This is actually the third club car since the beginning of the forum in 2019, but this is the first one that's a locomotive. So everyone's very excited about this one. Let's look inside. The model of the MTH train is 20-21515-1. It is an ES44AC diesel engine that comes with ProtoSound 3.0 and high rail wheels. High rail wheels are the big ones, easy to put on the track and easy to keep on the track. Here we go. Like all other engines we've shown before, there are ribbons inside that help you pull it and release it from the tight packaging. It needs to be packed tightly so that it's safe and secure. Although these are big and heavy, there are many delicate parts. Really excited about this one. So there is a 2-layer coat covering, one clear plastic and then a thin layer of sort of a styrofoam mat. Keep this protected. And here we have it. Take the styrofoam out of the walkways. That's just there to keep these walkways from getting crushed. They're made of thin metal. They're very realistic. Look at the paint on this. Wow, what a great job. This train requires a much closer look. And also, I think we need to run this thing. Take a look at how it sounds. Let's check out the lighting. Let's see how it runs smooth down our track. I know it's going to, but let's go find out. What do you say we go test this out on our lab? Ready? All right, let's go. Come on. The O-Gauge Forum ES44AC diesel by MTH is loaded with features. And to get the most of these features, it should be run with the digital command system. But this can also be run with just a simple transformer and some track, and that's how we're going to run it today. To get started, we just need to add some power to the track. There is a horn with accompanying cab chatter.
Line number 2 is operating the south direction.
There's a horn just by itself. And there's also a bell. With the engine in neutral, we hit the direction button to get it moving forward. And now the power to bring the train to a stop and shut down the engine. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on the Big Crab Cake channel.